Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see what is Brave browser, how to install it, and what are its features. So let's dive in. Brave browser is a browser that is getting very popular these days, mainly due to three main reasons. Number 1, ad blocker. Number 2, inbuilt Tor browser. And number 3, browsing reward. So let's explore the browser page. Here I am on the Brave browser download page. I'll provide the link to this page in the description. Here at the very beginning we can see it says that it is 3 times faster than Chrome. Now this is because it blocks ads and trackers, which also saves battery. In the website we also get to know several interesting facts about browsing. Now here we can see it tells us about the activity data being sold by the websites. Then they provide a solution, that is a browser that blocks ads and trackers and is 3 times faster than other browsers. Brave browser also comes with Tor support. It provides an extra secure private browsing with Tor. It also gives us rewards for viewing ads, which we can disable if we want. So now let's go ahead and download it. I'll go ahead and click on download Brave. Now it will start downloading. Now it is downloaded and I'll click on the installer. Now it will ask for the permission. I'll click on yes. Now it is starting to download. Now it is installing the browser. Now the installation is complete and the browser opens itself. Now we are on the Brave browser welcome page and it gives us a tour. I'll click on let's go. Now we can import settings from other browser. I'll select Chrome and import. Now it tells us about the save browsing feature that is in the Brave browser. I'll click on next. Now here we can select our default search engine. And now we can configure our Brave rewards by selecting the start using rewards. Now we are in the Brave reward section. Here it will give us a tour to the Brave rewards. I'll just skip it. So now in the right hand side you can see that there is a BAT section. That stands for Basic Attention Token. It is a cryptocurrency provided by Brave. So whatever rewards that you will get, it will be in BAT form. Now here you can see you can only withdraw the rewards if you have 25 BAT. So that's a drawback about this browser. And on the left hand side you can see the settings for the ads. Now you can configure here how many ads you want to see per hour. The maximum is 5, and if you want you can disable this settings as well. Now we have done setting up our rewards. I'll close it and I'll click on done. Now we have successfully set up the browser. One more interesting fact is that we also get paid for watching the background image in the home screen of the Brave browser. If I refresh this page, you can see it's written there, you are getting paid to view this background image. Isn't that cool? Now, if you click on Learn More, you will go to the Brave website and you can read here about the Brave rewards. I'll go back. Now let's check the tracking blocker. I'll go to google.com. Now if we see in the Brave logo, we can see that it has some notifications. It says that it has blocked 5 trackers from Google. You can see all of them here. So this was all about Brave browser. Hope you liked this video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.